Okay, question 8 of exercise 5A. Francine earned P dollar per week for her job. She worked 48 weeks each year. Write an expression for the amount she earns in a fortnight. Okay, that's the first one. So A. Alright, so Francine earns P dollars per week. Okay, and we want to know how much she would earn in a fortnight. Well, a fortnight is 2 weeks, right? So, whatever she earns, if she earns $100 for 1 week, then for the fortnight, you just have to times 2, right? Then she's gonna get $200. If she earns $200 a week, then you times 2 for the fortnight, and she would get $400. Okay, so what we just have to do with P here is we multiply that by 2 for the fortnights, okay, or 2 weeks. Let's tidy this up so we don't need to write the multiplication sign. Okay, and normally we would write the number in front of the letter. So what we do, we can rewrite this as 2p for the fortnight. Okay. B, we want to know how much she would earn in 1 year. And it says up here that she works 48 weeks in a year, right? So very similar to question A. So each week she earns P dollars, and we know that she works 48 weeks. So we just have to times 48. Okay. Again, we can rewrite this to tidy things up. Writing the number first, we have 48p. So this is for 1 year. And for C, in 1 year, if her wage is increased by $20 per week, okay, after she has already worked 30 weeks in the year. Oh my goodness. Okay, so there's a lot of information in here. So after she has already worked 30 weeks in the year. Okay, so now because this first bit here is after what happens here, I'm going to work with this part first. Okay, so she has already worked 30 weeks in the year, and we know how to write an expression for that. So she used to earn P dollars per week, and she done this for 30 weeks. So it's going to be P times 30 or 30p. Okay, so this is the amount of the first 30 weeks in the year. Okay. Now what that means is because she works 48 weeks, we know that this is for the last 18 weeks. Okay. So how do we deal with this? So first, let's work out what is her new wage. So new wage per week. Okay, so new wage per week. So she used to have P dollars per week, used to earn P dollars per week, and now it has been increased. So increase is addition. So increase by 20, okay? So now whatever she earns, she gets $20 more. So plus 20, and we have to put this in a brackets because it's one thing, it's one group, okay? If she used to earn $100, now she earns 120. If she used to earn 200, now she earns 220. So it's one group together. So therefore, for the last 18 weeks, what she would earn is P plus 20 in brackets. Okay, that's how much she earns for the week, times by 18 weeks. Okay, rewriting this, we don't need to write the multiplication sign, and I'm just going to bring the number 18 in front. Okay, now we are going to learn about a law in next exercise, exercise 5b, that kind of talk about it really doesn't matter, when we multiply two numbers, it doesn't really matter, if we swap the order around. So it's fine if I have, if it's fine if I bring the 18 forward. So 18 brackets P plus 20. Okay, and also it's absolutely fine if you just leave it as brackets P plus 20 close bracket times 18. That would be correct as well. And of course, we want to know the total earning. Okay, so in the first 30 weeks, she earned 30p. Okay, for the last 18 weeks, she earns 18 brackets p plus 20 close brackets. So the total earning, we just have to add these two together. So we would have 30p plus 18 bracket p plus 20. Okay, so question 8 here, 8c, is quite a big question. So the strategy that we do is to break it down, translate bit by bit into algebra, and then at the end we just combine everything together. So I hope that this helps you with question 8 of exercise 5a.